I'll go tally the votes. If anybody has a hidden immunity idol and you want to play it, now would be the time to do so. Okay, I'll read the votes. First vote, Nick. Kim. Tyson. Tyson, that's 2 votes, Tyson. Tyson, that's 3 votes, Tyson. 1 vote, Nick. 1 vote, Kim. Tyson, that's 4 votes, Tyson. Fifth person voted out a survivor. Winners at war. Tyson. That's 5. That's enough. Need to bring me your torch.
It's too easy. I should have seen it coming. Sorry, brother. That's okay.
Tyson, the tribe has spoken.
Bequeath your fire tokens to any player still in the game. Rather just swallow it. Let's see.